I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location because Nearby Share needs them to discover peers quickly. Once done, enable Nearby Share on your Android under Google Device Connections and open the Share menu on your laptop or Chrome OS Quick Settings. Select the file on the laptop and choose Share Nearby Share. The system scans for nearby devices. Make sure device visibility is set so your phone can see the laptop, and you'll see the phone appear in the send list. With your devices visible, set how you want to share and why it matters. Choose contacts or everyone depending on privacy, and pick a data preference, data saver for smaller transfers or prefer Wi-Fi for speed and quality. Now select the file on your laptop and initiate Nearby Share. The phone will get a prompt asking to accept. You should explain to the receiver why the transfer is coming through, then they accept. Transfers show progress. You can pause or cancel if needed, and retry on failure. You finish by confirming the transfer completed and locating the file in Downloads, Files, or the Photos gallery. Once saved, make sure to set device visibility back to contacts for privacy. If the transfer stalls or devices don't see each other, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location off and on, restart Nearby Share, and if on a laptop, check firewall or network isolation settings. If problems persist, reboot both devices and retry the transfer. This clears most discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.